Hey, this is Doris. Okay, the 52-9, the gate of concentration. And what you see is a bird pet shop. Isn't that cute? I love it. Alright, the 52 we'll call the bird watcher. And the 9 we'll call the binoculars. Okay, the 52, the gate of keeping still. And the 9 is focus. That's why I call it the binoculars. These, they like to share with you. They send their energy out to other people. Even change the other people's frequencies, which is really good. The root comes from the adrenal gland up to the sacral. So these people, concentration, that is, and they like to share what they find with you. Thank you.